my very second time to perform on a stage like this with a crowd like this. I was invited by the Baguio folk singers that we started last Saturday. That kunak kanya, well, if you give me a spot to sing, then I'll try to sing my song. So thank you, my newly found promoter, Mia Jibulan. I call her the moon. Jibulan, yeah. Inbaga na nga, yeah, kuya, kung gusto mo, kakanta ka. Okay. So I came here last Saturday, now this is the second time. And this is my very first time na kanta. Dati nang interview ka na, kunada, kuya, saan ka kumakanta noon? Doon sa lagoon. Saan sa lagoon? Sa garden ko. It was my brother Brian, who is a folk singer. Yeah.
Brian.
Okay, my partner Tito from Negros, Tito Martinez, the Bisaya boy. This is my version of Baguio. Oh, I'm sorry. I'd like to sing the song. I came to awan na naibos English ko. Ito yung kanta ko kinumpose ko after the incident in Marawi, the Sub 44 incident. Ceasefire. Live like this, killing my brothers, killing my friends. Since time I can't remember, it's been going on and on. Killing my brothers, killing my friends. Lay down your arms, lock your trigger, wrap your round. Sit and talk, peace not war. Give and take, love not hate. For the sake of peace. Can't we live in peace? We can't live like this, killing our son, killing our daughters, fathers and mothers, grieving for their child, sitting by the graveyards, tears falling down. Ceasefire, lay down your arms, lock your trigger, wrap your round. Sit and talk, peace not war. Give and take, love not hate. For the sake of peace. Why can't we live in peace? voice of peace and love, tearing us apart, breaking our hearts. Let's stand together now, give hugs and kisses, my friend. Ceasefire, lay down your arms, like your trigger, drop your rounds. Sit and talk, peace and war, give and take, love not hate, for the sake of peace. Give and take, love not hate, for the sake of peace.